So this is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our AUDUSD. So first thing first, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at this AUDUSD. You can see right here on our AUDUSD. If you are to zoom it out, it is very clear that market is on an uptrend move, right? We are very much clearly to the upside. Market is trending upward. Now, take a look at this moment, guys. If you take a look at this to be our higher high, right? Then here comes the higher low, right? Now, market was able to push up again to form another higher high, and then here comes the higher low, right? Now, zoom it in again. This is also a new higher high. You can see that this higher high took out this previous high. You can see that the candlestick closed above the previous candlestick high right here, right? Thereby forming an higher high. Now, this is an higher low. Now, what the market do next? Market eventually gave us a new higher high, also taking out this previous high. And now market has now dropped back to form an equal higher low. So now we've got this higher low. We will now be expecting market to reject from this zone and push up. That is one. So a bullish move is likely going to play out for the day on AUD/USD. That is one. Secondly, we are currently tapping our 10-period simple moving average, which is also serving as a confluence. So with it, we should expect market to actually reject and bounce up. That is two. Now, when you go down to your forward time frame also, you can see that this is a multiple rejection zone at this level right here. So we do not expect market to break it. Instead, we need market to reject from this level, react from this level, and push up. So this should be another confluence that market will be going bullish for us for the day. So a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on AUD/USD. More updates will be covered for you guys. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.